Hi guys, hope you're well. Today I'm going to be talking all about this button here, the Q button. This is one of the most important buttons on this particular model and any other models that you use, because you're going to go to that button on a regular basis, and it's really important that you get used to using that button as much as you can. So I'm shooting in manual. Okay, so I've got it in manual, I've got the camera on, and what am I going to do? I'm going to press the Q button. So when I press the Q button, your menu comes up, and this menu literally is everything that you need to know. So let me just focus in a little bit, because I am shooting with a smartphone. There we go. So again, the Q button stays for so long. If I click on the Q button here, you will find all your different things that you need to know. So if I hover through all my tools, so this little icon allows me to hover through my my shutter, my aperture, my ISO, my exposure, my Calgon, my focus points, my file size. So if I screw across my file size, how many shots I want in a frame, and custom controls as well. So Q button allows me to go to my settings and change things quickly. You can't go to, if you click on any other button, it won't go to your menu. You need to click on your Q button in order to get to that. And if you click on info, it'll give you some information, but your Q button really essentially is the button that you need to use the most. Now, on different models, they're in different positions. Sometimes they're there, sometimes they're there. Depends which camera you're using, on a 5D or a 7D or an 800D or 850 or 750 or any sort of mirrorless cameras. That button will be located roughly around this area, and it's really important that you get used to going to that button and then hovering through. So that one there, and this little wheel here is very critical, that you sort of kind of navigate through all these various features to get to where you want to do. The more quicker you use those two, so I'm like this, I'm like a samurai. I'm like, I'm clicking on that, and I'm like, I'm gonna change that quickly, and so you got to sort of get used to it. So again, click Q button, and if I want to change, for example, my focus points, I literally do that. And if I want to go to the if I want to change my standard mode, and I can click and change that. And if I want to go to my ISO, and I can quickly change that as well. But that one you have to sort of kind of select and do that, which is really annoying. So again, if I click on my focus points, I can literally do that with this wheel, and I can select that. So that button there, that Q button, this little moving button, and this wheel are quite important for you to navigate through all the various features. So Q button, yeah, Q button. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post. Happy to respond. And appreciate all you folks that are subscribed and watch my videos. Please do subscribe to this one as well, and hit the bell, and I'll make some more videos in my garden. I'm happy to do so. I'm trying to get to 10,000, so please do subscribe and get your mates to subscribe, because I do want to sell t-shirts like everybody else. Just be famous on YouTube and sell t-shirts basically. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.